Hello my fellow YouTubers, welcome back. Right, today I've got something special for you guys. It's the most beautiful piece of meat I've ever seen. It's grass fed, it's organic, it's a rare breed, so it's grown slowly, and it's going to produce a nice bit of belly pork. How I'm going to cook it is a little bit different. I'm going to cook it in the pizza oven, but this time it's going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to fire it up with wood. I've actually come up with this invention that I've converted it into a gas oven. So if you want to check that video out, it's really interesting. It's in this link here. And but this video today is going to be cooking the belly pork. I've never done it before in the oven, so it's a bit of a trial and error, but looking at this meat, I think it's going to come out really well. It's going to be in there for at least 4 hours, low and slow. It's going to have the most amazing crackling you'll ever see. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Right guys, this is the start of the show. Gorgeous, gorgeous piece of belly pork. Look how dark that meat is. I've took the membrane off here just to help it. Right, how we're prepping this is I'm just going to paint on just a little bit of oil just to help the crackling come along. Put it on the centre. Nice. Might look a lot of salt. We're just going to rub it in, making sure we get it all in between here. Celsius. We've got about 160 on the floor. So it's absolutely perfect. Right, let's get the meat in. Right guys, I'm going to put it in full whack for half an hour to get that crispy crackling going. Right, let's go for it. Right, I'm at the 30-minute mark. Let's have a look. Ooh, right, let's have a check it out. Oh my god. That's perfect. Right. We'll put some water in now, just to keep it all nice and moist. And we're gonna leave it in here now for about 4 hours. And hopefully it comes out butter tender. There it is, guys. 4.5 hours in the oven without wood. How about that? Look at this. Oh my god. Whew. Bone in. Crispy. Salty. If you've liked it, guys, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It's really important. There's going to be more this summer coming your way. All different types of things in my wood oven. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have, and I'll see you next time. Crackling taste test. Oh my god, that is so good. That is like the best pork scratchings you'll ever taste in your life. See what it cuts like after it's rested. Cheers, guys.